DIY home solutions to eliminate cockroach infestations by My Home Pest Control. Cockroaches without any uncertainty are the most disgusting pests that can be ever seen. Cockroaches spread their colonies quickly, hence, it becomes really crucial to control them on time. However, there are many cockroach repellents that are available in the markets, and all of them contains harmful chemicals when inhaled can lead to many complications, and they are further bad for kids, pets and for the environment as well. Here are the DIY home solutions to eliminate cockroach infestations. 1. The best way to prevent cockroach and other pest infestations from entering inside your house is via place insect screen. 2. Close holes and openings inside or outside of your house with paint, pudding and sand. 3. Keep your house clean on a regular basis. 4. Remove all the accumulated water sources from your house, because most of the time cockroaches are thirsty and occur just to seek water. 5. Remove all the clutter from your garden areas to prevent other prospective infestations. 6. Blend a mixture of hydrogen borate, white starch, sugar and coffee powder. 7. A cockroach will get attracted to the coffee smell and will eventually die after reading it. But also it is advisable to keep it away from your pets. 8. Another solution to eliminate cockroaches is by making a water trap. Just cut the bottle from the top and fill it with water and coffee brew. Hire the professionals. Hire the professionals of My Home Pest Control if you want to get rid of cockroach infestations efficiently. We are a company who have been working in this industry for more than 25 years. We provide our pest control services at diverse suburbs of Australia. To hire us, just call on this number. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get more pest control tips.